So I'm here in Cincinnati, Ohio, at the Findlay Outdoor Market. Now, this is the oldest market in the state of Ohio. It opened in 1852, and it's been running ever since. Now, when you come here, I mean, you're talking awesome produce stands, all kinds of shops, and the food is off the hook. And I hear a joint you gotta visit, no question, for some bomb pho is right here at Pho Lang Thang.
Order up, I got a beef banh mi and a going out table 24.
This is the best authentic Vietnamese food you can get in Cincinnati.
All of his recipes go back 2 to 3 generations.
When you look at the servers delivering the food, you're like, that looks so good, I should try that.
The dude who's creating all that curiosity is co-owner Duy Nguyen.
I'm actually American, born here, but my folks are from Vietnam.
After learning to cook from his mom, Duy and some buddies scraped up enough cash to open this joint in 2010. Now he's dishing up 300 bowls of authentic pho a day.
Beef pho.
The pho broth is fantastic. It's always super fatty, rich, delicious.
It's comfort food for me, and I just love it.
That's outstanding. Tender noodles, great meatball. I think that there's so many components to it. The balance is great. The flavors are subtle. Delicious, man. Great job, chef.
Thank you.
It's slightly salty, full of beef flavor.
The smell of the pho wafts across the block. You can't not come in here.
How long is the line to get into this joint on a Saturday?
About an hour and a half.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe that's because the specialties here you just can't find anywhere.
Got a pork banh mi. Let's go, guys.
Banh mi is one of my favorites. The richness of that pate, cut with a little bit of the pickled veg, down to the richness of the head cheese.
Great bread. I mean, there's just so many different components. The balance is great.
Thank you.
As you chew it, you just get, oh, there it is. Oh, now I got some sour. Now I got some heat. Now I got a little jalapeno. Now I got the freshness of the cucumber. It just keeps trumping itself as you enjoy it.
Exactly.
I dig it.
Thank you.
The inside is so spongy. It really absorbs the flavor of the meat.
The pickled daikons and carrots gives it a good crunch.
I've never had head cheese before. I like it.
It's neat for people to walk in here and get a full cultural experience.
Exactly.
Outstanding, man. Really.
Thank you.